Number 5, carry out business planning. In many businesses, one thing that you could fail to do is business planning. Once you fail to plan, you have set your business on the wrong trajectory. With a solid business plan, you gain clarity, focus, and confidence for your business. You are able to draw out an expectation for your business growth in the coming years easily. The path to success of your business is clear when you have this plan. Your plan should be comprehensive and workable. It should have goals, targets, actions, steps, and processes that are actionable and sustainable. Ask yourself the following questions. What am I building? Who will I serve? What is the promise I am making to my customers or clients and myself? What are the objectives, strategies, and action plans or steps to achieve my goals? Be sure who you are selling to before you start spending money in the business. Number 4, have an understanding of how you want your finances to run. When you are starting out with your first business, your finances likely get somewhat interconnected. Your personal money and the money for your business would probably be coming from the same purse. What you need to do is have a proper understanding of your personal finances and be sure to track them as you should. Set yourself up in such a way that you know how you are spending money both personally and for the business. You need to manage your money effectively so you do not get stuck financially in your business or even in your personal life. Ensure that you are constantly keeping track of your finances by having a record of your finances. While you are planning for your business, you must have a clear picture of where you want your business to be. If you are thinking of a business that would require a lot of capital, for example, a tech startup, you should probably not be thinking of your own personal finances to fund it. You would need investors. While planning your business, think about the way you want to handle finances. This is a very important part of it. Number 3, build a support network. After you have made a commitment for your business to work, you must realize that you cannot do this alone. The reason you are probably stuck at the moment is that you do not have a support system that is helping you out. You need to have a network of people who constantly encourage and support you in your business. This network could consist of advisors, partners, allies, vendors, and your close family and friends. Your network does not have to be confined to those you can see physically. Leverage social media in such a way that you can join business groups online, so you have people that can support you from other regions of the world. You could also use LinkedIn to build such networks. When you go for network events, ensure you listen as much as you talk. It is a place for you to learn to be better. In whatever group you join, ensure that you are generous by helping others even as they help you. When you are bent on helping others, you will be equally seen as someone who can render your service, and eventually, you would get a higher number of customers through referrals. Number 2, ensure that your business is creating value. It is a sure thing that you want to be in business and get profits, but that should not be your sole aim. Your focus should be on creating value for your customers. What does it mean to create value? It simply means that your business is catering to a need that people have. Ensure that you are constantly creating value for people, and you would watch your business increase steadily. Keep these questions at the back of your mind while doing your business. How can I make them successful in their pursuits? What can I give them? And here we go. We're on the last and final way. Number 1, talk about your business. This is another very important thing that you must take note of with your business. The reason you're probably stuck in your business is that you're probably not so confident about your business and not many people know about it. You need to be confident about your business and be bold enough to go out and talk to people about it. Be comfortable with spreading the word about your business. Create awareness on social media and do it in a way that people are interested in the business. Use social media and the internet to your advantage. There are so many online tools available to you that you can use to make your business more visible. When more people are aware of your business, it follows that more people will patronize you. After taking these steps, it is almost sure that you will be unstuck from your business. Remember to keep moving forward. Your business is in your hands, and you have what it takes to succeed.